Māori discovered Aotearoa, Moriori discovered the Kohu Chatham Islands. They owned all the land and had tino rangatiratanga or complete authority over their own lives. By 1840, Queen Victoria wanted the sole right to buy land here, and some British were misbehaving. Her representatives talked to chiefs about a right of preemption, promised that they would only sell land to her. In return, she would get British settlers under control and protect Māori. These discussed terms were written in Te Tiriti of Waitangi in Māori, as well as her recognition of Māori authority, Māori tino rangatiratanga. That recognition matched what had been included in Te Whakaputanga, the Declaration of Independence 5 years earlier, in that Britain had also recognised Māori authority and that foreigners wouldn't be allowed to make laws in Aotearoa. There was a second document though, the Treaty. It was in English, and in it said that the Queen would have sovereignty, which means the right to make laws over everyone in Aotearoa, including Māori. This was never discussed or agreed.